Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be setting up this single-sided Bluetooth earphone with an iPhone. We've got these now available for sale in our stores, and they come with a instruction manual in English and in Chinese. They come with this charging cable, earpiece, and an extra earbud so that you can replace the one that comes with it in case you lose it or it wears out. So this is the X6 model and it looks pretty neat. As you can see, it's made out of plastic. It's got the USB port over here for you to charge your earphone, and you've got this nice earbud here on the sides. Made out of silicone, button over here for you to turn on, and it's got an LED indicator light right over there. So this is the X6 model and we are going to set it up with a phone. Before we go on to the setup, if you do enjoy our videos, please do hit that like button and please do subscribe to our channel. So we've got our iPhone. So to turn on the earphone, you just press on the power button here just for about 2 seconds and it turns on. You can see the red and blue light blinking, and it's now ready to pair. I am going now to my iPhone, open settings on the iPhone, open Bluetooth, and from here scroll down to verify the list of devices that are available. I'm going to tap on X6 and this will pair the earbud with my phone. So it's now paired, so let's go ahead here and play something. So I've got one of my videos here and it's now playing, and I'm now going to place the earphone in my ear. So this is working perfectly, and this is how you pair this X6 earbud to your mobile phone. So there are functions, of course, such as answer your phone. You can use the earbud to answer your phone when someone calls you. This has a built-in microphone in it, so you don't need any other accessory. It's a one-sided earpiece. You can either use it on your right ear or your left ear. It will work on both. It's got this non-slippery silicone earbud as well, which is nice. It's not recommended for sports usage, of course. If you're in the office or in a coffee shop and you just want to get into a call or listen to music, you can use this earbud or earphone quite quickly. And of course, before the first usage, please do fully charge so the battery lasts longer. I'll leave the links in the description so you can purchase one of these, and if you have any questions, please put them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next video.